Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First MCQ is the excretory system of flatworms is composed of. Flatworms को हम platyhelminthes भी कहते हैं. Is composed of ganglia, flame cells, nephron, nephridia. The correct option is flame cells. Flame cells are actually branching tubes that end in a bulb-like sacs. मतलब जो हमारे पास फ्लेम सेल्स होते हैं वो ब्रांचेस की तरह के होते हैं और उनके एंड पे बल्ब लाइक सेल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. तो फ्लेम सेल्स हमारे पास फ्लैटवर्म्स का एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम बनाते हैं. इट इज़ अ फ्रेश वाटर स्पॉन्ज. स्पॉन्जिला, ल्यूकोसोलेनिया, Sycon, none of these. Correct option is Spongilla. The largest invertebrate animal is giant squid, octopus, cuttlefish, Physalia. Correct option is giant squid. The pore by which water enters the body of sponges is called osculum, pinacocytes, ostia, none of these. तो जो पोर होता है वो ostia होता है. Which of the following animal has compound eyes? Roundworms, flatworms, tapeworms, insects. Correct option is insects. The asexual reproduction in sponges is multiple fission, budding, binary fission, none of these. Correct option is budding. Class having the largest number of animals is insects, fishes, reptiles, none of these. Insects. Salamander belongs to the class Pisces, Aves, amphibians, none of these. Correct option is amphibians. Phylum Porifera is classified based on the branching, reproduction, symmetry, none of these. Correct option is reproduction. और जो phylum Porifera है वो budding के थ्रू reproduction करते हैं. Ascaris is characterized by presence of true coelom and metamerism, presence of true coelom and absence of metamerism, absence of true coelom and metamerism, absence of true coelom and metamerism. The correct option is D, because Ascaris is not coelomates. Cnidaria is characterized by tissue level of organization, Nematoblasts, Coelenteron, all of these. Correct option is all of these, because Cnidaria is a diploblastic and the animals and their form grade radiata. Notochord occurs throughout life and all through length of the body in Hemichordata, Urochordata, Cephalochordata, none of these. Correct option is Cephalochordata. Periplaneta belongs to the phylum Arthropoda, Annelida, Echinodermata, Mollusca. Correct option is Arthropoda. Example of beautiful and delicate sponge called Venus flower basket is Sycon, Spongilla, Euplectella, Leucoselenia. Correct option is Euplectella. Second largest phylum of invertebrates is Porifera, Arthropoda, Reptiles, Mollusca. Correct option is Mollusca, because Mollusca consists of almost 50,000 species. Pearls are produced by land snails, oyster, octopus, cuttlefish. Correct option is oyster. They are extremely marine and live sea bottom. Arthropoda, Echinoderms, Mollusca, Protozoans. Correct option is Echinoderms. Which of the following class of Arthropoda has gills for respiration? Crustacean, Arachinida, Myriapoda, Insecta. Correct option is Crustacean. Characteristic feature of phylum Annelida is Sitae, Nephridia, Parapodia, metameric. Correct option is metameric, because Annelida is metamerically segmented. Annelida में हमारे पास segmented worms हैं जो कि metamerically segmented होते हैं, मतलब उनमें both internal और external दोनों segmentation होती है. Respiratory system is absent in reptiles, flatworms, arthropoda, all of these. Correct option is flatworms. Planaria is example of arthropod, nematode, segmented worm, flatworm. Correct option is flatworm. Book lungs are present in Arthropoda, Mollusca, Annelida, none. बुक लंग्स हमारे पास होते क्या हैं? बुक लंग्स हमारे पास लंग्स लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं लेकिन वो फंक्शनल नहीं होते, और ये हमारे पास किस फाइलम में प्रेजेंट है? आर्थ्रोपोडा में. फर्स्ट ग्रुप हैविंग क्लोज सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इज मोलस्का, निमाटोडा, फ्लैटवर्म्स, Annelida. Annelida is the first group which develop closed circulatory system. Gastropoda is present in phylum Arthropoda, Mollusca, Annelida, none of these. Correct option is Mollusca. Circulatory system is absent in flatworms, Nematoda, Mollusca, both A and B. तो हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बोथ A and B, क्योंकि जो हमारे पास सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम है वो सबसे पहले डिवेलप हुआ था फाइलम एनेलिडा में. Dash have colorless blood. Flatworms, tapeworms, arthropods, all of these. Correct option is arthropods. क्यों होता है कलरलेस ब्लड उनका? क्योंकि उनके ब्लड में हीमोग्लोबिन नहीं होती. ब्लड का रेड कलर ही हीमोग्लोबिन की वजह से है. Dash have closed circulatory system. Mollusca, Cephalopoda, none of these, all of these. Correct option is Cephalopoda. Myriapoda is of phylum Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, none. Correct option is Arthropoda. Annelida is also called pus, tapeworm, segmented worms, none of these. Correct option is segmented worms. Nephridia is the feature of. Nephridia हमारे पास excretory structure है, और ये किन में होता है? प्लेटीहेलमिन्थेस, मोलस्का, आर्थ्रोपोडा, Annelida. Correct option is Annelida.